How to delete all viruses on Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you guys few steps from which you will be able to delete all of the viruses in your Windows device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is you'll need to open up your search bar on your Windows and search for disk cleanup. After you search for it, open it up and this should open up. What you'll have to do here is you'll have to select everything on this files to delete section and then tap on OK to delete it. After you delete that, your first step is complete. Now what you'll need to do is you'll need to open up your run. So for that, open up your Windows plus R key and you'll need to search for a file called temp. So first search for temp and hit enter and this section should open up. Now on this temp, you'll have all of your temporary files. All you have to do is Control All, select everything, right click on it, and then delete them. I will not be deleting this because I have some few important files here that I don't want to get lost, but you can delete it. It's not that important files. And after you delete that, you can head back. Now press on Windows plus R key again. And now what you'll need to do is press your percentage sign and type in temp and then give another percentage sign. After you do that, hit enter again and your files, that is this one, should open up. Now here again you'll have to press Ctrl plus A and then tap on the delete button. After you delete the button, after you delete all the folders there, what you'll need to do is you'll need to press on Windows plus R key again and search for prefetch. After you search for prefetch, you can just give it permission if it asks you for permission, and then select everything here again and then delete it. So now for the final step, what you'll need to do is you'll need to run a scan on your device. For that, you'll need to head over to the search bar again and search for MRT. After you search for MRT, you can simply hit enter and this window should pop up like this. Now this is your scanning tool. It also helps you remove your malicious softwares that you might have on your device. So tap on next here and there you can do full scan, quick scan and customized scan. So I recommend you guys doing full scan after a few weeks, every few weeks, and quick scan only after a few days and stuff. So tap on next and it should start scanning. After the scan is complete, you're good to go. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.